Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to send GIFs on Messenger on your PC with the new update. So, let's get started. First, open your Messenger account on your PC. Once you're logged in, find the chat you want to send the GIF to. Next, open the chat by clicking on it. Then, look for the GIF icon in the chat box. Click on it to access the GIF library. Now it's time to choose the perfect GIF to send. You can browse through the library to find the one that best fits your message. Once you've selected the GIF, simply click on it to send it in the chat. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a GIF on Messenger on your PC. Sending GIFs on Messenger is a fun and creative way to express yourself, so make sure to try it out with your friends and family. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.